Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to see history in Facebook, and now let's dive right in. Now to see your history in Facebook, first open up your Facebook app on your phone and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to see your history. And at that, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a small three line icon with our profile picture icon. Just below the messenger icon, tap over there, and at the top right corner of the screen, tap on the settings icon again. From here, scroll down to the bottom of the list until you can find the activity log over here. Just under the category of your activity, tap on activity log, and over here guys, you can see your all kinds of history over here, your activity across Facebook. You can see you can manage your comments and reaction. You can delete them if you want to. You can see we had commented on some of the posts and you can delete it. You can see from over here, and let's go back where you can manage posts. There will be all your post history over here. It will take some time to load guys. You can see you can manage your history from your post or see your post history on which you interacted. You can simply manage tags, manage save items, manage messages, manage groups, manage reels, and manage stories from over here. You can see here will be your saved reels, I guess, but your history will be over here. And if you scroll down, you can manage stories, but it will be your own, I guess, and someone others. And after you go back, you can see all of these stories on your polls. And let's go back guys. Also, to see your search history, you can scroll these buttons where it says post, public tags, story activity, pages, likes, following, added friends, video searched. You can see I hadn't searched for any videos, so it's not there, but you get the idea. You can search for videos watched, which videos we had watched recently over here. You can see, and over here all of the videos you watched previously will be over here on your watch history, video watched. You can see your search history over here guys. And that being said guys, this is the place where you will be able to see all your history on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, please feel free to comment in the comment. Please feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.